and it actually works or not.
Job's not finished.
Quick catch up if you just joined. In video one, we built this app on Lovable and saved all of its code into GitHub. Think of GitHub as a storage locker for your code. Today, we take it out of that locker and make it live so anyone can find it with a free tool called Vercel. And of course, riding along is our good friend Mission Forge, which is going to show us exactly where to click so that we can save time and do this 10 times faster. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to go from parked garage to busy street corner. Let's do this. Just to quickly tell you what Vercel is, it's a place that hosts your website so that when someone types in whatever your domain is, they'll actually be able to see something. First, we sign in with GitHub, or you can log in through Google and then connect to your GitHub repo that you got from our Lovable code after. So there's a lot of options for configuration, but for our purposes, we're just going to deploy. And there we go. Take a minute. It's deploying. And there it is. It's ready. Vercel says the app is live, so let's go to it. If for some reason you hit a 404 error, just go down in the comment section. I put the fix in there. So here's what we've got. A real live app on the internet at a real link. Looks great. I can type in it. And minutes ago, this didn't exist. And you, with zero coding experience, did it for free. That's further than most people get. Well done. We still don't have a backend through Supabase yet. We hit an error here because we still need to connect AI to this thing. The reason why it would work before is because we were borrowing from Lovable, but now we're actually doing the real thing. So we would really connect our own API keys, which I'll show you how to do in a future video. Quick bonus before we jump out of here. I'm going to show you how to go from this Vercel URL that you see here to an actual .com. It's quite simple. The instructions are very, very clear. All you have to do is go to this page, put in your domain, do a few confirmation checks, and then you'll actually be able to have a .com. You don't need it right now. You're already live. I'm just showing you where the door is for whenever you're ready. Look where we are. We went from idea to actually having code, putting it on Git, connecting to Supabase, even though we're going to configure that later. And now we finally have it live on the internet through Vercel. If you want to beta test Mission Forge, then let me know. Happy to provide it to you. Looking for feedback. Mission Forge is going to take you from idea to a finished app, and it's going to guide you the entire way through. Eventually, by the end of this series, we're going to have a full working app. See you in the next one.